Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Following that, scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Now click on Text Size. And finally, use this little slider at the bottom to adjust it. You can check out preview above. Then just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!